Imagine flying through a forest at 60 miles per hour, capturing every twist, turn, and panoramic reveal, without worrying about missing a single shot. The drone world is buzzing because the first real images of the DJI Avata 360 have finally leaked, and this isn't a small update. DJI is merging high-speed FPV with full 360 degrees freedom. If these leaks are true, the way we film from the sky is about to change forever. Design and build. At first glance, the Avata 360 feels familiar, but it's a completely new beast. Flatter, more aerodynamic body built for aggressive maneuvers. 4-blade propellers designed for extreme stability. Reinforced propeller guards, inspired by the DJI Neo, keeping the expensive 360 lenses safe. Whether you're flying through narrow doorways or dodging trees, this drone is built to survive the hustle. 360 degrees camera innovation. The magic is in the lenses, 2 spherical lenses, top and bottom, each capturing 180 degrees. Fly freely, then choose your angle in post-production. Pull back for cinematic reveals, or flip to the pilot's perspective, all from one flight. It's like having a dedicated camera crew in the sky. And for FPV purists? The front lens still delivers low-latency immersive FPV, plus a new stabilized mode for buttery smooth cinematic shots. Performance upgrades. Next-gen transmission system equals longer range, rock-solid signal, near zero lag. Better battery life equals more flight time for that perfect shot. Larger onboard storage equals fewer SD swaps. Yes, 360 degrees footage can be tricky, but for creators willing to push limits, the reward is cinematic freedom like never before. The DJI Avata 360 doesn't replace traditional FPV, it expands it. Safe enough for beginners. Powerful enough for pros. The ultimate high-speed creative drone. If you're excited about this revolution in aerial storytelling, subscribe, share this video with your drone friends, and hit the bell icon so you never miss a leak. What do you think of the Avata 360? Drop your thoughts in the comments.